What is going on, everybody? Right here in front of me are the Soundpeats H3 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, these did win a VGP Lifestyle of Summer 2025 award. And of course, this does rely on Snapdragon sound, has high-res audio, and LDAC. So right here, we could go to the back. We have Bluetooth version 5.4. Of course, a frequency response range of 20 Hertz to 40 kHz, and of course, a maximum working distance of 10 meters. Now you get playback time of 7 hours up to 37 hours with the charging case, battery capacity of 35 milliamp hours, that's in the earbuds, 400 milliamp hours in the charging case. So, without any further ado, let's unbox these. So first, I got my handy dandy pocket knife here, and we're just gonna slice under here and slice over here. We'll put that off to the side. We'll take this off, this plastic wrap. And right there you have the box. And then from here, let's see how we do this. Just bear with me for 1 minute here. All right, it looks like I gotta just tear from the top here. So this is glued on. Oh boy. Lovely unboxing, lovely. So we'll just slice this here. I'll just use the knife. Ugh. Very smooth, Pete, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Oh, that was something. That did not go as smooth as I would like. But you got a tan box here, looks like. Light tan. We'll just open it up from the top, and this is pretty darn luxury feeling. So right here you have the charging case. Now this charging case looks like it's pretty big. So we'll just take the plastic off here. Right here you see the reset button, and of course you see the Soundpeats logo. And we're gonna open them. And right here, you see it's kind of, you got transparent earbuds right here. So we'll just take the plastic off to make sure that they are charging, because that's what some earbud manufacturers put in. And right there, we'll just take that plastic off. And right here it says, hear the difference. So Soundpeats makes really good quality true wireless earbuds that are mostly at a budget. And yeah, these so far feel pretty nice in the hand to hold. It just looks luxurious. Now let's take a look at what you get in the box right here. So here you have your stickers. You have a user guide, you have fun panda bear stickers. Put that off to the side. Put this off to the side. Here's your ear gels. Right here you can see they're in this plastic bag. There's the ear gels. You can see white ear gels. And here is your charging cable. You can see USB-A to USB-C. And there's just one more thing here, and then this is just to show you how to download the Peats Audio app. So speaking of the Peats Audio app, let's get these paired up. All right, so right here it's telling me that I should open up the charging case, keep the earbuds in, we're going to go to pairing, and now it's going to scan. Right here, Soundpeats H3. We're going to press pair, and suddenly they are paired up. Now we'll come back into the Soundpeats audio app. And now it's going to look for the device. And now, of course, we're going to upgrade the firmware. So we'll press confirm. And of course, the latest version is already installed. So right away, you could see here, we'll just press home. I don't know what's going on here, but it looks like I have the white ones here. So it says find earbuds, dual location assistance with maps and ringtone, easily to find your experience. So we'll just press experience now, allow while using the app. And of course, I don't want to dox myself, so we'll just not put that there. And of course, here's your modes. You have double device connection, you have game mode, you have custom key, you have the ability to disable the touch. And of course, you have noise canceling, indoor. You have different types of noise canceling. So you got traffic mode, you got outdoor noise canceling, indoor noise canceling, and adaptive noise canceling. So right here, of course, you also have transparent mode. And then of course you have voice enhancement. So basically, like if someone's talking to you, their voice will be enhanced or whatever. And right here's normal mode. So of course that's, well, normal mode. And of course, here's everything else. And here is your EQs. So right here, if I want to, I could press that and I could set up an EQ, but we won't do that for right now. So yeah, the Soundpeats H3 true wireless earbuds are all set up and they're ready to go. All right, so far I actually really like these earbuds. And as you can see here, these are kind of transparent, just like the Nothing earbuds that Nothing put out. And I really like how the charging case looks. As you can see here, it's got the LED right here, and then on the back, it's got the reset button, it's got Soundpeats, and it says on the front, hear the difference, and I do hear the difference. These actually sound pretty good. They're kind of reminding me of what Sony recently put out with the WXM6s and what Nothing put out with the transparent plastic. And it's got the Soundpeats logo here on the front. And yeah, I actually really like how these look so far. And I'm going to be testing these over the next month or so. So stay tuned for the review. And of course, subscribe and press the notification bell. And the review will be coming soon, so stay tuned.